to jump on when I'm in my zone. I'm gone.
Alright y'all, in today's video I'm gonna be working on the Camaro. Check this out. I'm gonna be changing my spoiler, aka the tail. This is stock and this is what I bought on eBay right here for about $100. Boom, there she is. Pretty cool, huh? I just got done clear coating it just so it won't change color too quickly, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, bear with me. I'm gonna be upgrading to this. Let's see how she looks, shall we? And I painted my wheels. Looking pretty fine. Not too shabby, not too bad for my first time. Alright, first off, what you want to do is pop your trunk. You're gonna have a whole bunch of bolts right here. Well, not really bolts, but they have this plastic clips right here. So you're gonna be removing all of it. They have 11 of these. I don't know why it's missing one right here. It's not even missing one, they don't even have one. But yeah, you can remove all of it if you want, or just remove a few. That's what I did. It's just enough so then you could pop this down. You're gonna have to remove this part right here. All you gotta do is just pull it out. That's about it. Use one of these tools to help you pry it open. Not too hard. Once that's down, or once that's out, pull this flap down and it's gonna reveal some of these bolts right there. That is a 10mm bolt on both sides. If you guys can see that, bam, bam. And after that, you're gonna be pressing that button right here. Not a button, but it's a plastic clip. Pop that open and remove the top right here. And before you do all that as well, you're gonna have these cover. I'll remove that in a bit. You remove all 4 of these. It's gonna have screws in the back to remove this whole thing right here, this whole unit. So let's get it, shall we? Got this cool tool right here off of Amazon as well. Right into there. Trying to do this with one hand. Okay. Alright, so I decided to remove the whole panel. Shimmy this part right here into the flap. Remove that. You can just leave it like that. The reason why I removed it is because I dropped the screw right here. It fell in there, so I'm gonna have to fish it out. Gonna do that right now. Okay, so I got it. Always come prepared. And now I'm gonna get the other one, which is right here, and I'm gonna push this one back there, and along with removing these things right here. Okay, let's get it. These are simple to remove. Get yourself a little plastic primer so you don't damage your paint. Ooh. Ooh. Bada bing, bada boom. You just go and drill these out right here. I believe they're also 10mm. 10mm right here, and it is a 10mm. All right, let's do the other sides and let's get to it. All right, what's left is this thing right here. You're gonna have to poke it out somehow. Okay, I got some pliers. Let's see if I can do this while I'm recording. It's tough, man. But basically you wanna pinch this and push it out. So I'm gonna do that off camera. My bad, y'all. Okay, that was a pain in the butt. I ended up breaking it instead. I don't think I'm gonna need this anyways. But after when you get that piece off, this will just come right off. Ooh, look how dirty that is. Let's just place her right here. It was this piece right here. Gave me a hard time. We're gonna be cleaning this off for sure. Super dirty. These are a pain to get off. So the new one did come with screws, and it also comes with this foam pad thing right here. It also helps protect your car paint, so that's pretty cool. So let's install this. You're probably gonna do a way better job than I did, but you got an idea of it. So it's gonna be like that. And now we're gonna take this, put it onto the car. Just gotta line her up, screw her in, and yeah, that's how she's gonna look like. Yo, hey, she looks sexy, bruh. And there you have it. I got me a new spoiler, aka a new tail, and she looks great. Oh man, she's coming together, y'all. Also bought some side skirts and a front lip bumper, so it's a project. And she's coming together nicely. Once again, I got that off of Amazon. Oh, sorry, eBay for like $100. Not too bad. It came with this attachment right here, but I think it looks better without it. This just gives it a little bit more flair, sticks out a little bit more higher. Comments down below, y'all. Let me know if you guys like the Camaros with the tail or without the tail. I think she looks great. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button.
Smash, smash,
Subscribe to your homie for more content like this or anything else I do on this channel. And yeah, y'all, man, I love this car. It's my dream car. Finally got her, fixed her up, and there she is. All right, y'all, with that being said, yeah, be safe, keep it breezy, and now see y'all in the future. Deuces. Oh man, by the way, I lost one of the screws putting this thing together. That was a B&1/2, but luckily this kit comes with a whole bunch of screws, so yeah, you know what I mean. And it's very sturdy as well, super sturdy once you get it right. Oh, it's all plastic, by the way. Cheapo thing, $100 for a piece of plastic. Come on, man. Anyways, yeah.
My style untouchable.